Hello students, welcome to physics class. This is your classical mechanics chapter. In previous class I discussed about the D'Alembert's principle and using D'Alembert's principle Lagrange's equation. Today's class I want to discuss about the applications of Lagrange's equation. In that, first application is motion of a single particle in a Cartesian coordinate. In a Cartesian coordinates, let x, y, z be the Cartesian coordinates of the particle whose equation of motion is to be found. Okay, prove this. Let x dot, y dot and z dot be the x dot, y dot and z dot be the velocities of the particle of mass m. Velocities of the particle of mass m. Particle of mass m along x, y and z axis. Along x, y and z axis respectively, the kinetic energy of the particle is given by respectively the kinetic energy of the particle is given by already we know that the kinetic energy T equals to 1 by 2 m v square. This is Cartesian coordinate. Okay, v square means x dot square plus y dot square plus z dot square. Right here 1 by 2 m x dot square plus y dot square plus z dot square. Okay, this is kinetic energy. Okay, we know the condition dou t by dou x equals to 0, dou t by dou y equals to 0, dou t by dou z equals to 0. Okay, next differentiate. Okay, this is here x dot, y dot, z dot is there. Okay, so differentiate dou t by dou x dot. This means what? M x dot. See here, differentiate t. Okay, see here, note t means this much. Okay, dou t by dou x dot 1 by 2 as it is m. Okay, x dot square differentiation is 2 x dot. Okay, 2 get cancelled, remaining is m x dot. Okay, that is only m x dot. Similarly, dou t by dou y dot equals to m y dot. Same, dou t by dou z dot equals to m z dot. Okay, next the Lagrangian equation in generalized coordinates is. Okay, the Lagrange's equation, the last term is what? The Lagrange's equation is what? D by dt of dou t by dou q dot k minus dou t by dou qk equals to capital Qk. This is the Lagrange's equations. Okay, now what we have to do is, if f of x, fy and fz are the generalized forces along x, y and z axis respectively. What if fx, fy and fz are generalized forces along x, y and z axis, then the Lagrange's equation of motion is given by what it means? Lagrange's equation of motion is given by d by dt of dou t by dou x dot minus dou t by dou x equals to f of x. See here, in the kinetic energy is 1 by 2 m x dot square plus y dot square plus z dot square. What we did dou t by dou x dot. X dot is there, no? So apply Lagrange's equation of motion in that x dot. Means Lagrange's of equation of motion is d by dt of dou t by dou x dot minus dou t by dou x. Consider that as a f of x. Similarly, f of y and f of z. F of y means what? D by dt of dou t by dou y dot minus dou t by dou y. This is equals to f of y. This is only the Lagrange's equation. This is f of y. Next, f of z means z equals to d by dt of dou t by dou z dot minus dou t by dou z. Okay, this is f of z. Next, substitute these equations in the motion of a equation. Then those are given by C. d by dt of mx dot. Already we know the value of dou t by dou x dot, that is mx dot. Okay, consider that is f of x. Dou t by dou x is 0. That means what? Mx dot means mx double dot. Okay. Next, similarly, d by dt of my dot, that is equals to f of y. That means my double dot. Similarly, d by dt of z dot, that is f of z. That means z double dot. Okay, clear? Next, these are the Lagrange's equation of motion. Okay, the vector form of these equations are see, m r double dot, that is equals to m. Vector form means ix double dot plus jy double dot plus kz double dot, that equals to f of x plus j f of y plus k f of z, it is equals to f, where f equals to f of x plus j f y plus k f z. Okay, so this is the proof for first application. So see students, what we did first, see the applications of Lagrange's equation. That means motion of a single particle in a Cartesian coordinates. In a Cartesian coordinates, let x, y, z be the Cartesian coordinates of the particle whose equation of motion is to be found. Means we have to find the equation of motion of this Cartesian coordinate. Let x dot, y dot and z dot be the velocities of the particle of mass m along x, y and z axis respectively. The kinetic energy of the particle is given by, the kinetic energy is what? T equals to 1 by 2 m v square. Okay, v is nothing but velocities. Already I told x dot, y dot and z dot are the velocities. Means v square is nothing but x dot square plus y dot square plus z dot square. Okay, next we know that dou t by dou x, dou t by dou y, dou t by dou z is 0. Next, say differentiate x dot, y dot, z dot is there. So differentiate dou t by dou x dot, dou t by dou y dot, dou t by dou z dot. See dou t by dou x dot, 1 by 2 m x dot square is there, no? X dot square differentiation is 2x dot, 2 get cancelled, m x dot. Okay, the differentiation is m x dot. Next, similarly, dou t by dou y dot, dou t by dou z dot. Next, the Lagrange's equation of motion is given by d by dt of dou t by dou q dot k minus dou t by dou q k equal to qk. If fx, fy and fz are the generalized forces along x, y and z, Lagrange's equation of motion is given by d by dt of dou t by dou x dot minus dou t by dou x equals to f of x. This is x dot. Similarly, y dot and z dot. Take the differentiation of this term. Okay, we will get this answer. In the vector form, nothing, m r dot. M r dot means I x double dot plus j k y double dot plus k z double dot. Okay, this is f, where f is I f of x plus j f of I, k f of z. Okay. Next, second application. Second application is what? Motion of a single particle in a polar coordinates. This is about the Cartesian. Next one is motion of a single particle. Motion of a single particle in a polar coordinates. Cartesian means x, y, z. Polar means, already I told in your class. Polar means what? X equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta. Let the proof. Let r theta be the polar coordinates of the. Let r theta be the polar coordinates of the particle. Under considerations. Then the equation of transformation are given by equation of transformation are given by, see, already we know that in polar coordinates x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. Okay, in your previous class I told about the kinetic energy. Okay, in that x is r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta. X dot is nothing but r dot cos theta minus r theta dot sin theta. Okay, similarly y dot is nothing but r dot sin theta plus r theta dot cos theta. The kinetic energy of the particle is what? T equal to 1 by 2 m x dot square plus y dot square. Okay, x dot square plus y dot square. Already I discussed about 1 by 2 m x dot square plus y dot square. The value is that t equals to 1 by 2 m r dot square plus r square theta dot square. How this is come? See here. This is x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta. Differentiation x dot, r is r dot cos theta. Okay, plus r is as it is. Cos theta differentiation is minus sin theta theta dot. Same, r is r dot sin theta as it is plus r sin theta theta dot into cos theta. 1 by 2 m x dot square plus y dot square means what? Write 1 by 2 m as it is. X dot square means this square plus y dot square. Then apply the formula a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Then cancel the term. Then we will get this answer. T equal to 1 by 2 m r dot square plus r square theta dot square. Next, see here. Dou t by dou r dot. In this r dot and eta dot is there. Okay, means we have to apply Lagrange's equation for r dot and theta dot only. Dou t by dou r dot equals to m r dot. Okay. M r dot, how m r dot? See here, 1 by 2 m. This with respect to r dot means 2 r dot. 2 get cancel. R dot square means 2 r dot. 2 get cancel m r dot. Here r dot is not there means this term is 0. Okay. Next, dou t by dou r. That is m r theta dot square. R is there, no, this term is 0. 1 by 2 m as it is. R square means 2r theta dot square. 2 get cancel. Okay, see here, 1 by 2 m, first term is 0 because there is no r. R square differentiation is 2r theta dot square. 2 get cancelled, remaining is m r theta dot square. Understand? Next, dou t by dou theta dot. That is same only, m r square theta dot Next, dou t by dou theta equals to 0. See here, theta dot, here theta dot is not there, this term is 0. 1 by 2 m as it is, r square, theta dot square means 2 theta dot, get cancel m r square, theta dot only. Okay, see here, 1 by 2 m, first term is 0, plus theta dot r square, 2 theta dot, 2 get cancel m r square, theta dot. Okay, next, dou theta is not there, no, so that term is 0. Next, the Lagrange's equation in terms of qk is given by, the Lagrange's equation in terms of qk is given by d by dt of dou t by dou q dot k minus dou t by dou qk equals to qk. This is about the Lagrange's equation. Similarly, d by dt of dou t by dou r dot minus dou t by dou r equals to f of r. This is in terms of r dot, the Lagrange's equation. Here r dot and theta dot is there. So Lagrange's equation is d by dt of dou t by dou r dot minus dou t by dou r equals to f of r. This means d by dt of dou t by dou r dot, dou t by dou r dot is m r dot minus m r theta dot square, this term, that is equals to f of r. This means what? M r dot means r double dot differentiation minus m r theta dot square, that is f of r. Then d by dt of, similarly in terms of theta term, d by dt of dou t by dou theta dot minus dou t by dou theta equals to r into f of theta. Consider r f of theta. Okay, this means d by dt of m r square theta dot, this term d by d theta dot m r square theta dot, that equals to r f of theta, because dou t by dou theta is 0. Already we know that. This means what? M r square theta dot, so theta double dot plus 2m r dot theta dot equals to r into f of theta. Why this term is came here? See here, m r square theta dot differentiation theta double dot plus, next m as it is, theta dot is as it is, r square is nothing but 2r dot, getting, next r f of theta. Therefore the equations of motion in polar coordinates are given by, therefore the equation of motion in polar coordinates are given by m, this only, m r double dot minus m r theta dot square, that is equals to f of r. This implies, means this term, m r square theta double dot plus 2m r dot theta dot equals to r into f of theta. Okay, r into f of theta. Okay, this is the proof for polar coordinates, motion of a particle in a polar coordinates. Okay, so what I explained, we know that t equals to 1 by 2 m r dot square theta dot square, no, r dot and theta dot is there, so we have to apply the Lagrange's equation for r dot and theta dot. So first differentiation with respect to r dot, r theta dot theta. Next, Lagrange's equation of qk, r dot is there, no, so Lagrange's equation means d by dt of dou t by dou r dot minus dou t by dou r. Consider this as a f of r. Similarly, theta, d by dt of dou t by dou theta dot minus dou t by dou theta, this is r into f of theta. Okay, so differentiate this term and substituting in Lagrange's equation. Okay, then we will get the equation of motion in a polar coordinates. Okay, Next, the third application is linear harmonic oscillator. What the third application is? Linear. There are four applications: linear harmonic oscillator. First one is about the Cartesian, second one is about the polar coordinates, third one is about the linear harmonic oscillator. Okay, see here. Application of Lagrange's means what? Using Lagrange's equation only we have to solve the equations. Okay, next, Lagrange's equation of motion for one dimensional motion. Lagrange's equation of motion for one dimensional motion. Say in x direction can be written as one dimensional means d by dt of dou L by dou x dot minus dou L by dou x equals to 0. The kinetic energy of the system. This is the kinetic energy of the system. T equals to 1 by 2 mx dot square. This is the potential energy of the system. Next, phi equals to minus integration of f into dx. This is already we know. This means minus f of x is nothing but minus kx into dx, because f equal to minus kx only, where f is the force directed towards the mean position. Okay, next, this means what? 1 by 2 integration kx square constant c 1 minus into minus plus k as it is, x means x square divided by 2, that is 1 by 2 kx square plus c, where c is the constant. Okay, next, where c is the constant of integration and k is the spring constant. Okay, if we choose the horizontal plane passing through the position of equilibrium as the reference level, then v equal to 0, at x equal to 0, then c equals to 0. Okay, already we know that L equal to Lagrange's equation 1 by 2 m x dot square. Okay, minus 1 by 2 k x square. This is why L equal to t minus v. Okay, this is t m x dot square minus v. Okay, this implies dou L by dou x dot equals to m x dot only. Okay, here x dot is not there. Next, dou L by dou x equals to minus kx. Okay, 2 get cancel. Therefore, d by dt of substitute in Lagrange's equation. In this equation, dou L by dou x dot is mx dot minus of kx equals to 0. This means what? Mx double dot minus into minus plus kx equals to 0. Next, take m as a common, means what? X double dot plus k by m x equals to 0. It is an equation of a simple harmonic motion. Okay, what? It is an equation of simple harmonic motion. It is an equation of a simple harmonic motion and can be put in the form of x double dot plus omega square x equals to 0. This term is omega square x equal to 0, where omega is the frequency of oscillator, where omega is the frequency of oscillation. Okay, this is about the third application, that is what? Linear harmonic oscillator. The Lagrange's equation of motion for one dimensional motion, say in x direction, can be written as, this is x direction, d by dt of dou L by dou x dot minus dou L by dou x. we know that potential energy is T equal to 1 by 2 m v 1 by 2 m x dot square. V equal to spring constant, that is V equals to minus integration of f kx. F is minus k of x. Next, that is V. Integration means, see here, minus into minus plus k as it is. Integration of x is x square by 2. We know that L equals to T minus V. L equal to T minus V. Then dou L by dou x dot dou L by dou x. Substituting these values in the Lagrange's equation, this equation, then we will get this term. Then take m as a constant. Okay, this equation of motion, this equation of a simple harmonic motion can be put in the form of an x double dot plus omega square x, where omega is k by m. Okay, this is about the third application, that is linear harmonic oscillation. Fourth one is electric circuit. Okay, what the fourth application is the electrical circuit. Fourth one is electrical circuit. This is the last application, electrical circuit. Okay, next, see here, the Lagrangian for an electrical circuit consisting of finite number of inductance, capacitance and resistance. What? Inductance means L's, capacitance and resistance. Okay, and resistance is expressed as Le equals to Tm minus Ve. Okay, where Le is the Lagrangian for the electrical circuit, Tm is the magnetic energy of the electrical circuit, and Ve is the electrical energy of the electrical circuit. The Lagrangian equation of a motion for such a circuit is given by d by dt of dou Le divided by dou q dot j minus dou Le by dou qj equals to capital Qj. This is the Lagrange's equation. Okay, next is here, where Qj is the generalized force due to friction, while the conservative forces are included in Le. If the system is free from any frictional or dissipative forces, Qj equals to 0. Means what? Here Qj equals to 0. Then the equation of motion are given by, means Qj is 0. Simple, right? D by dt of dou Le by dou q dot j minus dou Le by dou qj equals to 0. Okay, this is about the electrical circuit. Means this include inductance, capacitance and resistance. That is Le equal to Tm minus Ve. Tm and Ve already told about them. Next, d by dt of this is Lagrange's equation, where qj equal to 0. Means remaining this is the term, that is d by dt of dou Le by dou q dot j minus dou Le by dou qj equal to 0. Next, see the example. To find the Lagrange's equation of motion for an electrical circuit containing an inductance L, capacitance C, the condenser is charged to Q coulombs, and the current flowing in the circuit is amperes. Okay, such a circuit of the magnetic energy will be Tm equals to, this is over, Tm equals to 1 by 2 Li square. That is 1 by 2 L q dot square. Okay, because q dot is nothing but dq by dt. Charge means current only. Electrical energy, the electrical energy Ve equals to 1 by 2 q square upon c. Okay, therefore Lagrange's equation can be expressed as, therefore the Lagrange's equation is given by Le equals to 1 by 2 L q dot square Tm minus Ve. Okay, Ve is 1 by 2 q square by c. See, Tm minus Ve, this is Tm, this is Ve, q square upon c. Okay, motion, then the motion will be d by dt of dou Le by dou q dot minus dou Le by dou q equals to 0. Okay, that means dou Le by dou q dot equals to L q dot and dou LE by dou q equals to q by c. Okay, dou LE by dou q dot. Okay, q dot means 2 to get cancel, only L q dot with respect to q means 1 by 2, q square is 2q, 2 to get cancel, q by c only remaining. Okay, so that Lagrange's equation takes the form, put these values in the Lagrange's equation. So the Lagrange's equation takes the form d by dt of L into q dot minus q by c equals to 0. That means what? LQ differentiation is LQ double dot minus q by c equals to 0. This is about the example. Okay, in this class I discussed about the application of Lagrange's equation. In previous class D'Alembert's and Lagrange's equation. So here your classical mechanics chapter is over. Okay, thank you.